9. That's the fear and greed index right now. Not 19, not 29, 9 out of 100. The last time we hit single digits like this was back in late 2022. You remember what happened then, don't you? Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. Bitcoin is sitting at 61,572 this morning, down another 1.55%. Ethereum just fell below 1650. And when you open your portfolio app, I know exactly what you're feeling, because this isn't just red candles on a chart anymore. This is your money, your conviction, your belief in this entire space being tested. The fear and greed index is at 9, extreme fear. And the thing is, this number doesn't lie about how the market feels. When we get to these levels, it means retail is panicking. It means people are selling at a loss. It means your group chats have gone quiet. The last time this indicator hit single digits, Bitcoin was trading near $15,000. We were in the depths of the bear market. And if you bought there, you did very well. But here's the question. Is this that moment again, or is there more pain ahead? Bitcoin at 61,500. And this level matters more than you think. We're hovering dangerously close to cycle lows. Not the all-time high, the cycle low. The headline literally says Bitcoin is in the shadow of geopolitics and AI, and they're not wrong. ETF outflows are accelerating. Rate cut hopes have evaporated. The Fed just confirmed what we feared, higher for longer. Inflation met expectations, which means no relief is coming. And Bitcoin is caught in the crossfire. If we break below 60,000 and it doesn't hold, and I mean really hold, we could see 55,000 faster than anyone expects. Now let's talk about what's actually moving today, or I should say what's not moving. Because look at the top gainers, with BNB down 1.43%. Bitcoin down 1.55%. Those are your winners today. When the best performers are still red, you know it's bad. XRP is getting hammered, down almost 4%. Cardano down 3.88%. Solana can't catch a break at $64. There's no rotation happening here. There's no altcoin season narrative. It's just everything bleeding together. And that tells you this is fear-driven, not fundamentals-driven. Wall Street isn't helping either. Futures are red across the board. S&P down 0.42%. NASDAQ down 0.67% before the bell even rings. Gold, which is supposed to be the safe haven, is down almost 2%. Even gold is selling off. That's how intense this deleveraging is. When both risk assets and safe havens drop together, it means people are scrambling for cash. They're meeting margin calls. They're reducing exposure to everything. So here's the big picture. And I need you to hear this clearly. We are in a liquidity crisis moment, not a crash, not capitulation, a freeze. The headline says 8 million Bitcoin and the bulk of Ethereum supply are sitting at a loss right now. That's intense. But here's what history teaches us. When everyone is underwater and nobody wants to buy, that's when bottoms form. Not when you feel good, not when the charts look pretty, when it feels like this. The question you have to ask yourself is simple. Do you believe the infrastructure of this market has changed since 2022? Do you believe institutions are here to stay? Because if the answer is yes, then this is noise. 2 stories you need to know about. First, the World Series of Poker just added Solana payments for tournament buy-ins. In the middle of a red market, real-world adoption keeps building. That matters. Second, a Bitcoin DeFi project called Botnix just shut down after 4 years. Their postmortem was brutal. Users just didn't care. They built for 4 years and the demand wasn't there. That's the reality check this market needs. Not everything survives, not everything deserves to. Only the projects with real use cases make it through moments like this. So what do you do now? You stay calm, you zoom out. And you remember that 9 on the fear and greed index has historically been a gift, not a curse. I'm not telling you to buy, I'm not telling you to sell, I'm telling you to think, because the market won't feel like this forever. But the decisions you make right now will matter for years. I'm AUL. See you tomorrow.